even if someone doesn't like something, that doesn't make them bad or anything. So I just followed up on that because people can like, they can dislike or whatever, something more challenging and something that the makers can trust me to. Once you commit to the project, it's not you who are making it. There are a lot of other people who are involved who are making the project. You are not a star in that sense. It's not my job. My job is to be an actor, to act. I can maybe suggest something if I feel that is right, but ultimately I think the Ishan, he's so charming, full of swag. He has his own aura. So I think there's something to learn there. Then Bhumi is such a hard worker, I would say. So giving as a co-actor.
Amit Syal,
Chameleon.
Farhan Akhtar,
Man of many hats.
Anup Soni.
Savdhan.
Hi, this is Jaya and you're watching me on Galata, India. Hi Udit.
Hi.
कैसे हो आप?
बहुत अच्छा, आप कैसे?
मैं बढ़िया. रॉयल्स देख लिया मैंने और सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन तो मेरा वही होगा जो मैंने आपसे थोड़ी देर पहले पूछा. Is it possible to work with your ex after knowing that कि इसके साथ ब्रेकअप हो चुका है and then after? ये सवाल बहुत आए होंगे आपके पास.
मुझे लगता है बहुत ही it's a bad idea and one shouldn't try it.
Yeah.
चाहे starting में जितना अच्छा लगे,
हाँ.
but it will get complicated. So.
But Bhumi said me that कि you know what Jaya कि it depends who is your ex. Was he a good person?
Good person है तो और problem है ना. फिर आप सोचोगे कि मैंने अलग क्यों हुए थे हम लोग.
Second chance
जैसा कि
दे देना
इसमें
चाहिए.
हुआ.
हाँ, right, absolutely. But recently you have defended your friend Bhumi, जिनको बहुत सारे criticism मिल रहे थे उनके acting के लिए, which was a very good side of yours. I want to talk on that first. What took that one step कि आपने उनके बारे में बात की और defend किया उनको? Generally आजकल actors नहीं बात करते एक दूसरे के बारे में.
I mean, everyone on this project have worked hard, very, very hard. And I think as actors, you are in front of the camera exposing yourself. So you are also exposing yourself to the fame, to the praise, and also to the negative comments as well. So it's a very sensitive thing. And it's not like we're creating like a painting or we have written something. Then you say, okay, this painting, this guy's painting is not that good. This novel is not. You don't say it's a bad writer or it's a bad painter. You say this is not good. But it's not, doesn't work with actors. With actors, it's like, and which is so bad. Like even if someone doesn't like something, that doesn't make them bad or anything. So I just followed up on that because people can like, they can dislike or whatever, but that doesn't mean that the intention was not there and to work really hard. Or I mean, I've seen her working with all sincerity and hard work, and how I've seen how much she has put into this part, and she's worked really hard for like a team for everyone.
Right.
So,
but in a sentence or a word, how do you describe your experience of Royals?
my experience was Royals was amazing because I was looking for something. I've done a lot of drama before, and I wanted to do something in comedy, something that's light, and I wanted to show the lighter side of me.
Right.
Because as a theatre artist in Delhi, I've done just comedy plays. People have laughed, they have clapped on my, and I've never got a chance to do that. Not that I'm complaining,
Right.
but after this serious roles and dramatic roles, I wanted to do something like, and this came to me, and especially in a rom-com space,
Great, yes,
especially with such amazing actors
Yes.
as Bhumi, Ishan, then Rehan, then Kavya,
Sakshi.
Tanwarji, and
The whole lot of good actors coming together was something else only this time.
Zeenat Aman. So we're all looking forward to all of that, and to be a part of this show, we are looking so handsome.
Yes.
You get a chance to dress up so well.
Yes.
you get a chance to look so good. I mean, it's a dream.
Right, of course. But set पे आप लोग सब आते थे. Who was the most one जो सबसे बड़ा prankster हुआ करता था set पे? इतने सारे cast हैं.
I think prankster मस्ती खोर अगर मैं बोलूँ तो शायद Ishan. They used to have a lot of but ultimately I think when we all used to come together, Sumukhi, me, Bhumi, Ishan, all of we used to have a big blast together.
But it was how was working with Zeenat Aman ji?
It's surreal. Honestly, it doesn't feel real that you get to be a part of a scene where she's also there, and you get to see her process, how she's working.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
But then did she give any advice to you about her days living in Bollywood time? उस time के बारे में कुछ बातें हुई?
मेरा उनसे डायरेक्टली, क्योंकि मेरे कोई सीन्स उनके साथ सीन्स डायरेक्टली थे नहीं, तो इस वजह से उनसे ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन मेरा उस तरीके से हुआ नहीं. अफसोस, बट maybe in some other project.
Some other project, no worries, कोई नहीं, manifesting this to you. But you know, you have often said this कि you know, आप जब acting करते हो तो काफ़ी कई बार आपको फील होता है कि आप एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो अपने आप को, है ना? यू
Yeah, of course.
कीप सेइंग दिस थिंग. तो कभी अब आपने अपने आप को कितना एक्सप्लोर कर लिया इतने अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स के साथ प्ले करते हुए, एंड हाउ यू सीइंग योरसेल्फ दिस डेज? हैव यू इवॉल्वड एज एन एक्टर?
Yeah, I think you evolve as an actor, you evolve as a human being for sure.
Mm-hmm.
And ultimately, through some other character, I said through some other character, you're just exploring yourself.
Exploring yourself.
You will say this character was like that,
Yeah.
but ultimately, it's you who are doing it. So I say that everything is inside of you. You just get a chance to explore different sides of you, whether it's bad or defined bad or good. you know. Plus, I think it's also about the exchange, the kind of situations that you find yourself in. It's
Right.
great to explore. And ultimately, I think it's about storytelling. You know, telling a story together, and I'm just a part of it. So I
Right.
see it like that. I'm just a brick on the wall, nothing else. I just know I have to do my job, and rest. Everyone does that, and it comes together, and it's something that audience loves.
But now have your choices evolved as an actor? मतलब ये करना है या वैसा करना
Yeah,
है?
definitely. I
Yeah?
think so. Yeah, because I think you evolve as a human. You know what you want to do,
हाँ.
what you're good at, and you basically realize your own worth also.
Right.
That okay, I can do this. I want
Right.
to do this. So of course, your choices change according to that.
So there are things which you are avoiding these days. I mean कि कुछ ऐसा project आए तो मुझे अब नहीं करना है या something like that.
I mean, something that I've already done.
Yeah.
You're always looking for something new because with every character you want to do something that you've not done before, right? So parts basically which you have played, you don't want to repeat those things, of course.
Right.
If it's a different setup, different altogether universe, then it's different.
Hmm.
But I think that hasn't happened with me. I've been very lucky in that. I've gotten a chance.
Yes.
Like as much as you're saying that
Yes.
it's my choice, I think scripts and roles have chosen me,
Have chosen.
honestly.
Yeah.
So I'm very lucky in that regard that so many different parts have come to me and I've got a chance to play them.
I think it's the you know, it's something running in your blood. Family से आता गया है ये चीज. What were their reactions in the Royals family?
I mean, now they're used to the fact that I.
But Royal was something different only, you know.
Yeah,
It was
I think my
full
father
royalty.
has seen the whole show. My
Yeah.
mother still hasn't. She's watched some episodes because
Yeah.
she's been busy. But yeah, they love everything I do. Yeah.
हाँ?
They, of
क्योंकि
course, they're
हर
my parents.
कैरेक्टर आया गया एक एपिसोड में रहा नहीं, बट यू वर थ्रू आउट द होल एपिसोड्स. या
Yeah.
बट हाउ वाज दैट? व्हाट वाज द सिस्टर से? सिस्टर ने कुछ बोला इस पे? देखा उन्होंने?
Yeah, of course, we watched the show together only.
हाँ.
और हम दोनों बहुत हंसे because हम लोग पंजाबी फैमिली से आते हैं तो हम लोग में हंसी मजाक और बहुत चलता रहता है.
हाँ.
तो हम लोग को बहुत मजा आता है. तो हमने दोनों साथ में देखा
हाँ.
और बहुत मजा आया. बहुत मजा आया.
जैसे कि सब कह रहे हैं कि यू रूलिंग ओटीटी ऑलरेडी, यू नो, बैक टू बैक यू गेटिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, एंड मतलब कहते हैं ना कि नेटफ्लिक्स की तो मैं नहीं कहूँगी, बट ओटीटी ने आपको कैप्चर कर लिया है. देयर विल बी, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक अच्छा सीरीज आ रहा था, देयर विल बी उदित. हाउ डू यू सी दैट?
I don't know. I mean, it's a good thing only.
राइट.
Yeah,
और
it's-
आए.
और आए मैं तो कहता हूँ. Yeah.
बट अभी भी काम को अप्रोच करते हो, मांगते हो काम अभी भी?
Like.
I mean,
as
you approach roles still? Like I
Like
saw on your on your Instagram that you wrote that कि work inquiries या मुझे
Yeah.
reach out करो इस चीज पे.
हाँ, yeah.
So how do you approach your roles? Still you do the auditions and all?
Yeah, of course. I think I have to give a test for them, and which is fine. I understand the process, how it works, and I don't have a problem with auditioning. I think it's a great opportunity for
I
you
know.
also to
Correct.
explore the fact that okay, this is something that you have to do because I think stakes are really high and it's nice. Otherwise, you know, it gives you a chance to not take things for granted, honestly.
Correct, correct.
You know,
Correct. So कैसे auditions करते हो?
हाँ,
Auditions वगैरह देते हो फिर?
of course देता हूँ.
हाँ?
Of course, मैंने इसके लिए रॉयल्स के लिए भी दिया था.
हाँ.
But it's more of like they want me to be a part of it.
हाँ.
But then it's a test because a lot of people are involved. There's a hierarchy, there are studios, there are directors, and all of that stuff. So they also have to see how much you fit for the role. That's really important. Maybe you're a good actor and you've done some good work in other, but they have to see how well you fit in this character.
Right.
So it's their right, honestly. If I was casting for something, I would like making something. I was a producer. I would like to see, you know.
बट क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस क्या है आपका? मतलब अगर आप जा रहे हो सेट पे, डू यू हैव योर आल्सो सम आउटपुट और समथिंग इनपुट लाइक दैट टू गिव ऑन सेट?
Of course, 101%. Yeah, because I think when you're preparing, you are exploring the part, and by the time you're on set, you have some understanding, and of course you change the things accordingly, what works best for the script, and with your co-actor you discuss, and yeah, it's a very collaborative process, and I've been
Right.
very lucky to to be able to work with those directors who are very collaborative. They listen to the feedback, they think that this is better, but again they can also say, okay, this is much better than this. It has always been like that.
The roles are coming. Which roles you always wanted to work?
Yeah, I think I've been very lucky
Huh.
in that. Truly, truly.
Yeah?
I've never, like, it's different. Like Kunal is different. Then
Yeah.
I've got to play. Kunal is a businessman, for example.
Yes,
I have
yes.
no relation to business. I don't know how it works. So I watched a lot of Shark Tank to study how entrepreneurs really start their business. What is the foundation of that? How the idea starts. Then what is the like supply chain, like and B2B, B2C. I was not really aware of that.
Right,
So
right.
through Shark Tank, I got to know that. So as a learning experience also, just to get into the mindset of the character, okay, how he thinks, how he works.
So this is a ritual basically before going to the set. You prepare yourself fully.
I mean, you
Yeah.
have to know the headspace where that person is coming from, who he is, how he thinks. So I think it gives you a good foundation
Correct,
to
correct,
work from. I would not say that it's the method or something, but it's just something that you do and you learn
Right.
something out of it. It just gives you adds to the personality.
Correct.
Then I played something in Salzburg Flamingo.
Yes.
Lives in the hinterlands, and he's a rough, rugged guy who's not learned, supposedly.
Right.
He's not polished.
Right.
He's like a animal, if I could say so. He has those characteristics.
Right.
And love for Shanta makes him human, for
Human.
example.
Ah.
So it's a totally different exploration. So you
Yes.
go through
Learn.
different routes.
Yeah, you have to learn, otherwise
Yeah.
you'll be full blank if you go on a set
Yeah,
like
like
that.
उसमें एक
Right?
अंग्रेजी का शब्द है, मुझे याद है, वो शांता says something और उसको समझ नहीं आता. I'm looking like this. She says something in English, like उसको समझ नहीं आया. So you
No,
get to play all of these different people.
Correct, absolutely. But there's something you always wanted to do and अब तक आप उसका wait कर रहे हो? Any roles?
I think कुछ तो होगा. I'm looking forward to the kind of roles that come my way.
Huh?
For sure. And I'm sure it would be something better than what I've already done. Something more challenging and something that the makers can trust me with.
But there's something in your criteria of working that this is negotiable and this is no negotiable, something like that. I mean, when you work or choose your scripts.
I don't think, once you commit to the project, it's not you who are making it.
Yeah.
There are a lot of other people who are involved who are making the project. You are just a part of it, as I said. So there's a limited scope to what you can interfere with. I mean, I'm not a star in that sense. But I would not like to do that, because see, it's not my job. My job is to be an actor, to act. I can maybe suggest something if I feel that is right, but ultimately I think the ball is in their court. Yeah? They are making a project and they've hired me for something. So ultimately, I think if I'll make something, then I would also expect me to have that power. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like if someone comes and says, okay, change this, I would like, why? You know what I mean? So I mean, I can suggest something, but ultimately it's their thing if they want.
What's the best thing you love about OTT, because you're the Raja of OTT?
I'm not a Raja of OTT, but I love the kind of characters and their dynamics that OTT is allowed to show, and going in depth about all of them. Like you see if it's not a film, it's a series, then you see these explorations from the start to the end, which is, you see that arc, you see that graph, which generally it's not possible with a lot of actors in a 2-hour or 3-hour film. You know what I mean? It's very rare.
Right.
So I think that is something that's very
Rare.
good as an actor.
Correct. That's totally. From Kanpur, you're from Kanpur, playing theatres there, playing cinema there, to the Royals. How has your journey been?
Truly amazing, truly satisfying, truly challenging. But all of it is worthwhile, I think, in the end, because I'm content with the kind of work that has come my way and the kind of roles that I've done. I'm really happy, and I'm really happy with the response that people are liking my work. So I'm really happy.
Right.
Yeah.
What's the turning point? Which movie you think it's my turning point in your career?
I think I got noticed after Jamtara, which I was surprised was a primary part, but I thought I wouldn't be noticed as such, because I was like a cybercrime officer working in the office who's afraid of being in the field. He's asking, like in the show, I asked the inspector Dolly Sahu that
Yes,
please
yes.
let's go. He's so afraid. So I thought I don't know everybody's कोई तमंचा चला रहा है कोई गोलियां चला रहा है तो मैंने सोचा I don't know if I'll be noticed or not but I was very happy.
Yeah.
My hard work paid off. So I think that changed the game and then I was more recognized. I started gotten opportunities. Then I got Crash Course. Then I got Saas Bahoo Flamingo. So it was this. It started from that. I would say.
हाँ क्या कमेंट्स आए थे आपके लिए? Did someone commented on your gram or messaged you for the first time that कि मैंने आपको देखा and that really made you know भाई shocking कि मुझे
I think जामताड़ा से हुआ.
हाँ
जब जामताड़ा
मतलब
से
क्या
कितना
कमेंट्स आए थे फैन से?
I mean they love the performance.
हाँ
और बस और क्या.
बट आगे क्या है और आगे what you are working for?
एक नेटफ्लिक्स की फिल्म है with राहुल ढोलकिया sir who I worked with in Agni and it stars Saif Ali Khan. It's on India's first elections.
Oh wow.
That's all I can say and I'm playing a very important part in it.
Right?
Yeah.
बट इन सब के जो रॉयल के कास्ट से उन सब से क्या क्या सीखने को मिला? कुछ किसी से सीखा समथिंग डिफरेंट?
यार मतलब मैं सबको देखता है जैसे ईशान है he's so charming full of swag he has
हाँ.
his own aura so I think there's something to learn there.
हाँ.
Then Bhumi is such a hard worker I would say so giving as a co-actor and Vihan he's so spontaneous.
Vihan, yeah.
Spontaneous just improvises and I got to improvise with him a lot as well. Then and also I think at the end of the day to have fun. I mean to have a team who also is working but also having a lot of fun while so that's a different deal. Otherwise some on sets it could be very serious. I'm like
Right.
why the hell are you guys so serious?
And
Just
after
have a
working
laugh.
in Jamtara and all,
No, that was a good thing.
it was fun.
It was fun. So
Okay.
already the stuff is serious. Why do you have to be serious on this and just have a laugh?
Yeah. Also the whole set was full of royals, you know, मतलब इतना royalty थी
Yeah,
पूरी
of
की
course.
पूरी.
We are in the palaces, City
Yes,
Palace.
yes.
You're going every day. It's like your home. It becomes your home.
Yeah.
And then you start wondering why are you not living here? You don't want to come back to Bombay then. You're like I'm living here. I'm not leaving.
It was so pretty and you guys, all of them were looking crazy, you know.
Yeah.
All of them are looking very crazy in this show. मतलब मजा आया मुझे देखकर. तो we'll quickly play a game
Okay.
with your, I mean it's a one word for your co-stars.
Okay.
ठीक है? Zinat Aman ji,
Legend.
Dimple Kapadia,
Graceful.
Radhika Madan,
Beautiful in and out.
Bhumi Pednekar,
Hardworking.
Shriya Pilgaonkar,
Good actor.
Anup Soni,
Savdhan.
Amit Syal,
Chameleon. He can change like anything.
right. Monica Dogra,
Monica Dogra.
yeah.
Diva.
Farhan Akhtar,
Man of many hats.
Sakshi Tanwar.
Iconic.
I really like your this full outfit of this Agni. You were just looking crazy in that.
Which?
Agni.
Achha, that.
हाँ
that-
मैंने आपको पोस्ट देखा Amazon Prime still
That
has.
firefighter.
हाँ,
Okay,
हाँ.
okay.
Before going, I want to say कि कुछ आप अपने fans को बोलना चाहते हैं तो आप बोल दीजिए.
Watch
गला
Royals. It's out now.
Yeah.
And if you already watched it, then watch it again. And watch it and keep watching it. Keep loving it. Thank you so much for all the love that you gave us. Hi, my name is Udit Arora and you're watching me on Bilata India.